Jazzcast Pros.
Thanks for tuning in to Beauty Boss Millionaire. I'm your host, Felicia Fracassi, and today we are getting into SBA loans and how the program works and really how to just get access to this capital because a lot of people are missing out on this money. Like I said earlier, there is an annual budget of $985 million that the SBA has to loan out, to lend to banks, to give to you all. So it's important that you tune in so you know how to access this capital. Remember, it's set aside from Congress for us so we can keep on stimulating the economy. It's for us. We are doing the right thing. We are the salt of the earth. We're the ones that are making it happen, employing other people, giving it a shot, making something happen.
Welcome back to the Beauty Boss Millionaire podcast with daily on-the-go episodes packed with testimonies and business tips to help you create financial freedom through entrepreneurship. Hosted by the owner of Fracassi Lashes and the Blow Dry Lounge, the Beauty Boss Millionaire herself, Felicia Fracassi.
So we're going to quickly jump into it. Again, the objective of this episode is really just to talk on access to capital and really how to get your business funded through the SBA. But first, we're going to go through the rundown. Now, as we said earlier, generally the SBA does not provide direct loans, but instead it partners with banks, credit unions, and other lenders. So please, if you do not have a business banking relationship with a bank, you need to get one because this is what's going to help you get access to these loans and programs. Let's jump right into access to capital. The SBA loans that are made by its partner banks, credit unions, and other lenders are partially guaranteed by the federal government. They help finance small businesses that may be denied funding under conventional lending guidelines. The SBA loan and lines of credit can help businesses start or grow or buy real estate or build and or buy an existing business. Ding, 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 ding. I hope that rang a bell. A lot of people, once they start doing a few businesses, they realize, I can kind of do this. Like me, I started off with one thing, lashes, and I went into real estate, and then I went into Airbnb, and then I went into buying tons of things, and I went to a cleaning company, then I went to a construction company. So the reason why I said ding, ding, ding is because right there, that should have dinged. You don't always have to start a business from the ground up. You can go right to the SBA and go and get a loan and buy an existing business. Especially if there's nothing wrong with the business. You have to look good and hard and make sure the business is right for you. But this is could be a shortcut for you to make millions. And that's kind of what I've done. A lot of people don't realize that I have so many other businesses. And sometimes I don't even remember all the businesses that I have just because there's a lot that I do. And my husband has businesses and together we're married. So we've got multiple LLCs, we've got multiple trusts, we've got a whole lot going on that we've learned how to really protect our wealth and we've learned how to multiply our wealth. We are constantly looking at the next business opportunity and also strengthening the businesses that we have. We have a family office, everyone helps out. It's a whole organized system. Lately, I've been really busy and I don't even know if I want to say this, but I've just really been busy. And it really means a lot that you guys are tuning in. And it takes so much out of me to be able to do this because I'm very busy. But I always want to make time for the people that are tuning in because y'all that are listening want this dream. You want to move forward. That's why you're still listening. That's why you're tuning in still to get these valuable gems to be able to move your business forward. All right, so we're going to go to the disaster relief program. This initiates and provides low interest loans to homeowners, renters, businesses of all sizes, and most private nonprofit organizations to replace or repair property and assets that have been damaged by natural disaster. So that's what another sector. Prime grant program. This program for investment in micro entrepreneurs, PRIME, that's what it stands for, Program for Investment in Micro Entrepreneurs, provides grants to help low-income entrepreneurs gain financial backing to establish and grow their small business. So there's grants. There's grants out there. Go to your SBA. You need to be bugging your SBA. You need to be popping up, posting up. You know how some people run to the club for fun? Honey, you need to run to the SBA so you can get your life. And I really say that jokingly, but this will really change it. They always said, if you want to create wealth and if you want to be wealthy, hang around the wealthy people. Well, I've got something else to say about that. If you want to be wealthy, if you want to have some money and you want to get access to some money, you might want to hang around the SBA. You might want to make a phone call, knock on their door, hang out there, because eventually you're going to get some money if you're lined up right. and if you position yourself in the right place to receive it. Now, there's something called a 7A loan program. This program is designed to help start up existing small businesses obtain financing. The loan limit is $5 million. There are types of 7A loan programs, which includes express loan programs for borrowers from distressed communities and others, export loan programs for small export businesses, rural business loans for rural and small community borrowers, special purpose loans to aid businesses negatively impacting the North America Free Trade Agreement, which is that NAFTA and AFTA. And then you have the Patriot Express Pilot Loan Initiative for active military veterans and their families. I'm quickly just going to go over that for some people that are in military. I have some entrepreneurs that come to me that are literally in the military. They're giving their service to us every single day. And veterans and active military struggle with mortgages, auto loans, credit card debts, and the same as civilian consumers. Bills can pile up while you're deployed or you're out fighting for us or whatever's going on, that you could even be someone that just lost a job and you're a vet. And you can find out what relief options are available to you. There's something called the CDC 504 loan program. This is a long-term financial tool designed to encourage economic development within the community. It provides funding for the purchase or construction of real estate and or the purchase of a business equipment and machinery. Lenders provide 50% of the financing. The CDC, which is the Certified Development Company, not the other one. So the CDC created under the program provides 40% and the applicant does the 10%. There's something also called a micro loan program. This program provides small, short-term loans to small businesses and certain types of nonprofit child care centers. The maximum loan amount is $50,000. The monies can be used as working capital to purchase inventory or supplies, furniture, fixtures, and or machinery and equipment. So we're all about the babies. And if you are doing something like this, where it's a child care center or it's a nonprofit, you might want to look into the micro loan program. Now you're starting to see why the SBA is so valuable, why so many people sleep on the SBA. I'm not sure why. There's so much that you can access and tap into. I've said it before. I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. A lot of times people are looking for a mentor. They're looking for all these people. They're scouring the internet. When all you need to do is go to your local SBA office. That's what they're there for. They're literally paid on payroll through our Congress to make sure that we're able to access money, and they'll help you. They literally are helping with paperwork. They're going to help you out with the right program for your business. If you sit down and bring a business plan to them, they'll even look it over. So please use these resources. Don't take this the wrong way, but I'm going to say it. Don't run to the welfare line, honey. Run to the SBA office, because the welfare can only take you so far. Getting assistance from the government can only take you so far. But if you're willing to put in a little bit of work, going to the SBA will open up doors and doors of opportunity and wealth. And it's important that you access the SBA. All right, I've said a lot today. I've went through a lot of programs, and we're going to go more into them next, because there's a lot of other good ones I really want to get into, especially if there's venture capital projects, entrepreneurial development. We're going to get into a lot of this stuff tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Beauty Boss Millionaire. I know you like that part when I said, don't run to the welfare office, run to the SBA. I know you love that. Yeah, I know you like that one. Thanks for tuning in to Beauty Boss Millionaire.
That's it for today. Tune in tomorrow for the Beauty Boss Millionaire podcast. And don't forget to follow the Beauty Boss Millionaire, Felicia Fracassi, on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Beauty Boss Millionaire.
Also, if these are really helpful, please review, rate, and share, or just send the link to someone who may need this. See you tomorrow.